Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your shipping address in Amazon. Whether you've recently moved or need packages sent to a different location, updating your address is quick and simple. Let's walk through the two main ways you can do this. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. Now, there are actually two different methods for changing your shipping address, and I'll show you both so you can choose whichever is more convenient for your situation. Let's start with the first method. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists, which you'll find in the top right corner of the menu bar. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, scroll down through the different sections until you locate your addresses. This section stores all the shipping addresses you've previously used or saved. Click on Your Addresses to open it up. Here you'll see any existing addresses associated with your account. To add a new shipping address, click on Add Address. A form will pop up where you can enter your complete address details. Go ahead and type in your street address, followed by your city, state, and zip code. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any delivery issues down the line. Now, if you want this new address to be used for all future orders automatically, check the box beside Make this my default address. This is especially useful if you've permanently moved or if this is now your primary shipping location. Once you've filled everything out and checked your information, click Add Address to save your new shipping details. That's the first method, and it works great if you're planning ahead or just want to update your address settings in general. But there's also a second way to change your shipping address, and this one is particularly handy when you're actively placing an order. Here's how that works. In the upper right corner, click on Cart. This shows you all the items currently waiting to be purchased. Select the item you want to have shipped to a different address, then click Proceed to Checkout. This brings you to the checkout page where you finalize your order details. On the checkout page, look for the option that says Add a new delivery address and click on it. Just like before, you'll need to type in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Again, if you want this address to become your default for future orders, make sure to check the box beside Make this my default address. After you've entered all your information, click Use this address. Amazon will now apply this new shipping address to your current order, and if you selected it as your default, it'll be saved for next time too. And that's it. You now know both ways to change your shipping address in Amazon, whether you're updating it in your account settings or doing it right at checkout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.